Hi, my name is Greg Hunt with Lappert Business Systems. I've been involved with Burlington area scouting for the last 30 years. My children brought me into scouting, and it allowed me the opportunity to grow up with them. Over the last many years, we've had some decline in scouting. To grow scouting in Burlington, we needed to concentrate on the 3 R's, and the 3 R's are recruitment, recognition, and retention. And because of those 3 R's and the fact that we are providing phenomenal program to the youth, we have experienced close to a 4% increase in youth numbers and leader numbers over those 3 years. So most of the growth that we've had is through the development of program and youth bringing their friends into it. We augment that with involvement with churches, schools, community events, just youth involved with the community. What I'm exceptionally excited about is that we do have a young Chief Commissioner of Scouting by the name of Steve Kent, and he has come out with a vision for scouting that everybody across Canada has bought into. And that vision is to grow and double scouting by the year 2020. And it looks like we're on track.